Welcome to the unboxing video for the ModularFlex system by Dustbane. A complete chemical dispensing and dilution control solution that redefines what commercial cleaning should be, ideal solution for healthcare, education, building maintenance, and other commercial cleaning contractors. In this video, we'll walk you through unboxing, installation, and how to use your new chemical dispensing system. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need. Start by mounting the wall bracket near a water source. Use the provided screws and anchors for secure installation. Once the bracket is in place, attach the ModularFlex unit onto the bracket and lock it in position. Remove the cover to make it easier to access the valves. Select the correct metering tips for each chemical, based on your required dilution ratio. Push each tip firmly into the hose barb. Then connect the pre-assembled tubes to the adductors, ensuring they're secure and properly seated. It should look something like this. Now connect the water inlet hose. The ModularFlex operates between 25 and 85 psi, with a maximum water temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's prepare our cleaning products by replacing the caps. This system houses up to 4 2-liter concentrated products from the ModularFlex series, our Canadian-made super concentrates that can handle all your cleaning needs, ranging from restrooms and glass to degreasing, disinfection, and odor control. Insert your 2-liter chemical concentrate bottles into the ModularFlex cabinet and attach the suction tubes securely to each container. Next, apply the included product stickers and workplace labels. Clear labeling makes it easy for staff to select the right product every time. To dispense, rotate the dial to set it on the desired chemical, then place your spray bottle or mop bucket under the nozzle, press and hold the button to fill, and release to stop. For longer fills, use the lock-on feature. The ModularFlex system automatically delivers the correct dilution every time, making cleaning smarter, safer, and easier for your facility.
Dustbane. Give meaning to your cleaning.